I already started eating because I'm pretty drunk right now, but we got some Popeyes chicken tenders or fingers with the sweet heat sauce. Drink a lot today, so you know what I'm saying? The cure is only food, you know what I'm saying? If only you know. Once a week I eat what I want, Pretty strict with my diet, but it's fire. I use it to the max. I don't waste any sauce. The sauce for Popeyes, it hits. If you know, you know. Why is it that, especially junk food? It cures hangover. It helps so much. I really don't understand how that works, but if I decide to eat a salad, it's not gonna work. It's just not. I don't know. Me as a Korean, we eat very spicy, very warm foods that gives you would have to be after every sip, you feel this is it. But when it comes to American food or any kind of junk food, honestly, it just hits. I don't know. Anyone else agree? If any of you guys want more of this kind of content, you guys want to know how I maintain a physique eating like this, comment and let me know. This is all new to me too. Let me know what you guys want to see. I'm still in New York City. A lot of crazy people. Weird ass people screaming. I'm trying to get out of New York City right now. I'm rushing. I don't want to see her. I want to go back to New Jersey. But the only Popeyes that was open was the closest place was in the West Village. So I had to get my Popeyes, Look at time, it says 7 minutes. I think it's the fastest I ever had Popeyes. Oh. Damn, that hit. All done. Wow. Damn, I gotta get out of here. I'm gonna get an Uber or Lyft. It's 3:05, I swear to God. 3:05 a.m. Damn. Probably only sleep for 2 hours. You gotta have fun when you have fun. And sober up when you gotta sober up. And get back to real life, you know what I'm saying? Anyway. Peace.